Hello beautiful, this is Kirasecret Skincare. You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you to all my amazing subscribers. But guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Follow me. For subscription is free of charge. They don't charge. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on my Instagram page at Kirasecret Skincare. Also follow us on our new logistic page at Kirasecret Logistics. There we ship worldwide through DHL and through cargo. We generate tracking number for you to track your goods. 3 to 5 working days, your goods will get to you at your doorstep. We are the #1, the champion. Also, you can go to my website and shop at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. My product is there. Our skincare product is there. Our porcelain, our instant white, our afghans, our Arabian set at an affordable price. Our products are very effective. Okay, and we also sell original branded product on the website. You can go to the website and shop. Now you're asking me always, Mommy Kira, how much is this, how much is that? Just go to the website. All product and prices are there. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God bless your family. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yesterday we'll be talking about an amazing tube. This tube is very good. I went through social media, but I could not see much review on it, but I said let me talk about this product. It's called Hyprogel. Look at it. It's called Hyprogel. A lot of people do come chat me up and ask me, do you have this product? Yes, I have it. Hyprogel is a very good gel. It comes in 30 grams. Okay, this is a treatment tube. Okay, this is a treatment tube. Is manufactured in Indonesia. Why is marketed in Nigeria here by Orange Drugs Limited. Okay, even if you check the pack, you're going to see it. It's manufactured in Indonesia. Okay, it's not Nigeria that did it. It's produced in Indonesia. Why they brought it here in Nigeria, Orange Drugs Limited, to market it for them. This is a very good treatment tube. Look at how it is. Look at it. Okay, look at it. Okay, this is not a sponsor ad. Why I'm talking about this product is because a lot of people do ask me, I want to buy. Is this product made in Nigeria? Is this product? No, it's not made in Nigeria. It's made in Indonesia. Okay, but it's marketed here in Nigeria. You understand me? Because they cannot come from Indonesia and come to Nigeria to market it, or any other part. You understand? Definitely they will give it to a company to talk about, for them to distribute it or market it for people. You understand what I mean? This is a very good tube. It's a 30-gram tube. It works for, it's a treatment tube. Like if you have dark spots, if you have skin discoloration, you understand me? If you have all those skin issues, you can use it. You can use it directly, or you can use it, you can put it little in your cream. You understand me? But it's not a long-term product. You cannot use this tube for long, because it's a gel. It's very active. You understand me? Before 3 or at max 6 months, you must have gotten what you want on this product. That is the issue you are having on your skin. You want it to clear off. Definitely, this Hyprogel tube is going to do it. Okay. Yeah, that is it. I just say let me come out and explain to you guys. Look at how it is. If you want to buy it on the website, you can buy. It's very affordable, very good. This Hyprogel tube. I noticed that some people, they're using it on their lotion. I don't know why you're using it on your lotion. You understand me? This is a treatment tube that maybe if you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, you understand me, you want to clear out some discoloration, you understand, you can put it direct, or you can mix it in your little cream. Use it for a short period of time. Okay, and that is it. You are good to go immediately. The issue you're having, this tube have treat it. You don't need to continue using it, because this is a short-term tube. This is a short-term tube, you understand, but it's a very good treatment tube. It works very well, and it comes in a gel form. You know, it's very strong. That's why they say you can't use it for long. Okay, it's a short-term tube, a treatment tube that works very well. Okay, the clobetasol here is 0.05%. Okay, in here you can see it. Please, if you want to get it, go to my website and buy. Okay, please like, share this video. Also share this video to your loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my Facebook and TikTok at Kirasecret Skincare. Also shop on my website. All my skincare product is on the website also. Yeah, I just say let me come out and explain about Hyprogel. Hyprogel is a good treatment tube. Okay, you don't have to buy Hyprogel and start using it on your cream that you want to white. You don't need all that. There are a lot of amazing tubes that you can use for, but this is just for treatment that you have one or two imperfection on your skin that you want to clear it. You understand what I'm saying? You can use it quickly. Highest 3 months you are done. Stop it, okay, and start using your normal cream. Okay, this does not clear white patches, so that you will not come and start asking me, Mommy Kira, does this tube clear white patch? It does not. Okay, I love you guys so much. God bless you. Hello beautiful, this is Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective, guys. Now is in 125 ml bottle. This product is super effective. It's super strong. If you're producing for your customer and your customer that are complaining that the product is not working, the product you are producing for them is not working, worry no more. Go and get Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, and Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. This product is very effective. You can't put it directly on your skin. You have to use it to produce, mix with your production for your customer to come back. It's super active and very, very effective. Okay, if you want to partner, okay, they need more distributor all over the world, in France, USA, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, okay, Ghana, Togo, Mali, Gabon, okay, everywhere. Please, if you are interested, chat us up, okay, chat the number up on the screen and let's do business together. They're going to put your number on the screen, okay, so that anybody that wants to buy in your city will contact you directly. Hurry up, because this product is the #1, the champion. It's very, very effective. You can also buy in gallon. People that are promising, big promisers, okay, you can buy in gallon from 500 ml, from 1 liter, for 2.5, 5 liters, 10 liters. Those are for big producer. But if you want to be selling in bottles, it's not available in 125.